Shorts have become the real reality of visual experience nowadays. So whenever you see, whenever you watch the human laboratory, that is the bus stations or railway stations or any gathering, you can watch. All the people are immersed themselves in watching one or the other shots that have been there in YouTube or WhatsApp or any other thing nowadays. So in this scenario, short films have become the expression of the ideas of the new age talent. And of course, nowadays everyone has become the filmmaker. Thanks to the smartphone technology, thanks to iPhone, thanks to many other phones with a high grade of pixel resolutions or visual resolutions. So that is the reason every student and especially every aspiring personality is very much interested to become himself as a filmmaker.